So you've downloaded the Robinhood app, you're looking at that clean, simple interface, and you know you want to buy Amazon stock. But now you're staring at the screen, and the questions start popping up. How do I actually get money into this thing? What's the difference between a market order and a limit order? And with Amazon's share price being so high, how can I possibly afford a whole share? If you feel a little lost, you are not alone. The app is designed to be simple, but when it's your own real money on the line, every button feels a little more serious. What if you make a mistake? What if you click the wrong thing? I get it. That hesitation is totally normal. But the truth is, once you walk through the process one time, it becomes second nature. This video is your personal guided tour. We are going to go through every single step together, from funding your account to clicking the buy button for Amazon stock. I'll not only show you what to do, but I'll explain why you're doing it, so you can trade with complete confidence. Let's open up the app and get started. The very first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is download the Robinhood app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and complete the account setup. This process is straightforward but crucial. You'll need to provide some basic personal information like your name, address, and the last four digits of your social security number. Robinhood uses this to verify your identity, which is a standard requirement for all financial institutions. The app will also ask you about your investment experience and financial situation. Answer these questions honestly. This isn't a test, it helps Robinhood understand your profile. Once you submit your application, it's usually approved within a day, sometimes almost instantly. Now, with your account active, the next step is to link your bank account. This is how you transfer money into Robinhood to invest. Tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner, then tap Transfers. You'll search for your bank, and then log in using your online banking credentials. This is a secure process that authorizes Robinhood to make deposits and withdrawals. After you link your bank, you can initiate your first deposit. You can choose an instant deposit, which gives you up to $1,000 or more to start trading with immediately while the actual transfer from your bank clears in the background. This is a fantastic feature that lets you get started right away. Now, with buying power in your account, you're ready to find and analyze Amazon. Let's head to the home screen of the app. At the top, you'll see a magnifying glass icon. That's the search function. Tap on it and type in AMZN. That's Amazon's ticker symbol. Every company on the stock market has a unique ticker, and this is how you'll always find it. Once you tap on AMZN, you'll be taken to Amazon's dedicated page. This page is your research hub. You'll see the current stock price, charts showing its performance over different time periods, and relevant news articles. Before you buy anything, it's a good habit to spend just a minute here. Scroll down a little. You can see the company's description and key statistics. This isn't just about clicking buttons, it's about making an informed decision. You're not just buying a ticker symbol, you're buying a small piece of a massive global business. Understanding that, even at a basic level, separates an investor from a gambler. Alright, you're on the Amazon stock page, you've done a quick review, and you're ready to invest. Here comes the most important part, placing the trade. You'll see a big green button that says Buy. Tap on that. Now, the trade ticket opens up. This is where you tell Robinhood exactly what you want to do. The first thing you'll see is order type. For your first trade, you want to use a market order. This is the simplest type. It means buy this stock for me right now at the best available price. It's fast and it's almost guaranteed to execute immediately. Later on, you can explore limit orders, where you set a specific maximum price you're willing to pay. But for now, keep it simple with a market order. The next section is shares. This is where the magic happens for beginner investors. You might look at Amazon's price, see it's over $3,000 per share, and think, I can't afford that. But look closely. You can change this from shares to dollars. This is Robinhood's fractional shares feature. It allows you to buy a piece of a share with any amount of money. So, You can type in $50, $100, or $500. You are now an Amazon shareholder regardless of the share price. Finally, you'll choose the time in force. Good for day is perfect. It means if your order doesn't fill immediately, it will cancel at the end of the trading day. Before you swipe up to submit, let's talk about the powerful features that are right on this trade ticket. Look for an option that says Extended Hours Trading. Normally, the stock market is only open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. But with this toggle, you can choose to place your trade before the market opens or after it closes. I strongly recommend beginners leave this turn